What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can secure your Yahoo account. So first, you need to search yahoo.com on your browser search bar, and after coming to the Yahoo's website, from here you need to sign up or log in with your Yahoo Mail, and after that, on the right side, you need to click on your profile icon and then click on manage your account. After clicking on manage your account, this will ask you to log in again. So just simply log in again. Now, after logging in, on the top, you can see the security section. Click on this, and after that, you can enable the two-step verification to secure your account more, and then you can add a password. But if you don't have created a password, you can create your password, or if you have created your password, you can change your password for more security. And after that, if you want to add the password to this application, the Yahoo application, you can click on generate app password and then you can generate a new password. And if you want it more secure, you can see this passkeys option. From here, you can click on create passkey and then you can create your new passkey from which you will be able to log into your account directly via the passkey. And this is how you can secure your Yahoo account by first enabling two-step verification. Second one is to change or generate a password. Third one is to generate an application password. And the fourth one is to generate a new passkey. And this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.